How to change groups notifications light color on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change groups notifications light color on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner and click settings, and now just click notifications. Here you will find scroll down, here you will find it light, and then just click on it and select here any color you want like red or green, uh, and then just click any color and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.